Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create trending set face or unpair effect in CapCut apps. So it's super simple. You can select your project, you can open your project, or you can tap on new project to start the editing. And I'm going to open my project. So there is a video and I'm going to add a set face effect. Just select effect and select body effect, and in trending you can find a unpair effect. Just click on it so you can see for the final result like this. This is the original and this is the effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.